As you receive that incoming call or that message or that audio or that image, anything, you want to validate by using multi-factor communication. So if someone is calling you, have them also email or text you from an authorized account or phone number to confirm their identity. In other words, you need an alternative communication method to validate their identity. Some have also included adding a private verbal passcode that's been agreed upon long before the actual phone call has taken place. And secondly, using multi-party confirmation. So if person A is requesting approval for something, you need person B, an entirely separate entity, to authorize the request. That is, you have multiple eyes on this particular request to make sure that this is indeed legitimate and you can move forward with this high stakes decision.